just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, babe.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me?
If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and sent this till a quarter century, could I count on you to be there?
We're headed to the beach, you guys. Let's go to the beach. We're headed to the beach, even though it's dark. The sunset. We got here quite late. We're just gonna sit and look at the water, and then we have to go to have dinner because we haven't eaten. We ate something in Atlanta, but besides that, that was hours ago. So it's kind of like time to eat a second meal. But yeah, it's so beautiful out here. Sounds so therapeutic. Down there. Today was fun, a cute little first day. We got in pretty late. We're looking for this bug right now because we was getting ready to go to bed. And now we can't go to sleep until we find it and kill it. Today, guys, I didn't get any sleep per usual. Playing on the first flight, it wasn't that long. I think it was 2 hours. Flight wasn't that long. So if it was longer, I probably would have slept a little longer. 2 of my clips broke. This is the only clip I have right now. And this one, but it's broken. Like, as you can see, I had to throw the pink one away because it was just too, it was crumbled up. I kid you not, it was crumbled up. What am I looking for? I'm about to wash my face again. I already washed it, but it has sand on it now from walking on the beach. You guys, the beach was so pretty. I can't wait to go tomorrow after our excursions. We're probably going to go like in the evening. And chill by the beach and in the water, maybe. Maybe. It was so beautiful, and the waves. The sounds of the waves were so therapeutic. My dad has one of my bags, and I keep forgetting to get it from him. I attempted to get it twice from him and completely forgot. And now they're like sleep. That bag. Oh no, it's my swimsuit, so I have to get that back tomorrow. Pronto. I'm gonna go to sleep after this. After we try to find this little thing that's like roaming around our room. A Caesar salad and lobster bites. The lobster bites was 10 out of 10. The Caesar salad, it was alright. I feel like they put a little too much seasoning on it, and then they had it whole like that, and it was kind of hard to cut it with a butter knife. And the thing about me is I like my salads, I like to just, with my salads, I don't like to be cutting my salad like it's a steak, because salads are not steak. It had a cherry in it, you guys. It was so delicious. It was the best. And when I was in Cancun, I had the best, what is it, Shirley Temple ever. And that was my first time having a Shirley Temple. That was in Cancun. He was like, I got something special for you, because I told him I wanted a strawberry lemonade. He came back and it was blue. I'm sure if you guys watched that vlog, then you saw that. But you guys, that was delicious, and I still think about that often. And it was my favorite color. He made it blue. I'm gonna pray that I get a lot of good night's rest today. Tonight. A little off subject, but time feels like it's going by super slow here, which I actually like, because I feel like on vacation a lot of times the time feels like it's going by so fast. You blink and it's already over. I'm going to bed. Jai jai yo. Toodaloo. Good morning, you guys. So I just got dressed and put some stuff on because we have to go downstairs and call a driver so that they can come pick us up for our excursion today. And then when we come back, change into what I'm going to be wearing for the zip lining, which I don't know yet, but I'll figure something out. We have to put on bug spray, so just in case the bugs get the bug in. I brought 2 purses, and I forgot to bring my fanny pack, but I guess it's alright because so you guys, we're headed out. You guys are waiting on something. The rest of them have to come down out of the room, and then yeah.
The most likely place you're going to use EVJ, you're most likely to hit your head on one of these posts and anything Robert Trent Jones Sr. He's a world-famous golf course architect who built over 500 golf courses in 40 countries around the world. He kind of anything of Trading Places with Eddie Murphy and Dan Aykroyd was filmed in 1983. If you remember that, they're sitting out on the beach. Dan Aykroyd's out on a boat. This is the only road up here. Well, no, an hour and a half back. Or in the grocery store, an hour driving back. Nope, sure enough, it's the longest one. You can see it if you look. Yeah. I got now. Yeah. I know. So, but this one does not have that flattening out. So you gotta be in froggy style.
Come on.
We're from 17. Wow. The mortar.
You couldn't get, they didn't have Home Depot in, right? So they would grind coral, mix it with sand and water, and that's what they would use for a mortar. And know, something so simple, it sure stands the test of time.
Look at that crack.
Two little palm trees. There's a bushy tree in the middle. That's a carambola tree. You can actually see some fruit on it. Over here.
Hey guys, so we're back from ziplining. The food we got is from a place that the ziplining instructor, I don't know what to call him, but he recommended this place called Chicken Shack. And so we went and got some of that. I got the fried pork chop with regular white rice. We went to this place called Chicken Shack and I got fried pork chops. I got the little, it's kind of a like donut. Let me see. Tasty. It reminds me of something. I can't think of what it reminds me. It's like a donut type of thing. And then I got regular white rice. And then she said regular white rice or seasoned rice. I probably should have got the seasoned rice. Oh, it's 2 pork chops. Wow. It's fine. I wanted some tea, but I don't want my iron levels to be. So I just got a green Gatorade and called it a day. The time feels like it's going by so slow here, and I actually love it. Like, I got so much rest last night. We got on 3 different zip lines. Our first one was like a little starter. It wasn't very long and it was quite short. The second one was the longest one, super long, went really fast. Third one was quite fast, but it was short. That's quite tasty too. It's like a little dessert, and maybe an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. So I'm gonna finish my stuff up, charge my devices because I need them charged for when I go to the beach, so I can take a lot of pictures and content stuff for you guys as well, you know, vlogging. And yeah, I'm gonna drink my little Powerade and finish this off. Because I'm just enjoying the beach. Like, do crabs just pinch all the time, or is it just like if you start messing with them? I'm having a great time. My baby heart. So you guys, we made it back. We came back because my makeup is not looking how I wanted to because I didn't wash my face all the way. So I'm about to wash my face and redo my makeup. And then we're gonna head back down so I can take some pictures.
Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, babe.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me?